Hello friends, in this video we will see the mother's position and the different positions in which mother can feed her baby. Most of the time we see that mother is advised to sit and feed the baby, which is very difficult for the mother, particularly immediately after the delivery. I am Dr. Sangeeta Jadhav. I am pediatrician and international board certified lactation consultant. We have seen baby's attachment in my last video, but just to recap, we will see baby's attachment onto the mother's breast. When baby takes deep latch onto mother's breast, maximum of the areola goes inside the baby's mouth. Lower portion of the areola, that is the portion of areola towards the tongue side of the baby, should go more into the baby's mouth. Therefore, this latch is called as asymmetric or off-central latch also. So, in this picture, you can see the areola on the nose side is visible more than the low areola on the chin side. Baby's mouth is wide open and the angle of mouth is obtuse. Baby's lower lip is curled outward and the tongue underneath the breast and over the alveolar ridge. Baby chin is touching the breast of the mother. Why we say baby should take a deep latch or the maximum of areola should go into baby's mouth? The reason is that the milk ducts, as seen in this picture, are located under the areola and not in the nipple. In the nipple there are only ducts which carry the milk, and only when the baby sucks on the areola these milk ducts can get compressed and baby gets the milk. Now we will see various indicators of effective latchment and milk transfer. When the latching is perfect or deep, mother does not feel any pain during or after the feeding. Baby feeds comfortably without moving or shaking his head. Baby has deep jaw excursions with a pause preceding each swallow, and there will be an audible swallowing with the sound of ka. When baby makes a sound like that means the latching is not correct. So we will see the signs of ineffective latch also. So mother should get alert if she has any nipple pain. The lips of the babies are tight or pursed. When the lower lip is pulled in, if there is dimpling of the cheeks, and when baby finishes breastfeeding, the nipple, if the nipples are mishapen or get flattened, that means the latching is not effective or it is a shallow latch. So that mother can remove the baby as suggested in the previous video by putting her little finger into the baby's mouth and pressing the chin down and opening the baby's mouth. To have a proper attachment, when mother lifts the baby, she should turn the baby towards mother. There should be a good skin to skin contact between baby and mother. Head, shoulder and buttocks of the baby should be in one line, and mother should support baby's neck, back and buttocks. Most of the time we see that when mother feeds the baby, she supports only the neck. So never press the baby's head, always support the baby's neck. Now we will see the mother's position. Mother should sit comfortably with good back support if the mother is feeding her baby in sitting position. She should hold the breast in big C grip of the hand, and before starting the breastfeeding, mother should touch her nipple to the upper lip of the baby by bringing the nipple in front of the nose. This is also called as snip position. and when mother touches her nipple to baby's upper lip, in this response baby widely opens the mouth, and as soon as the baby opens the mouth widely, she should offer her breast into baby's mouth. And once baby starts feeding, mother should interact with the baby while feeding, because when baby takes breastfeeding, he is alert, active, and it enhances the baby's psychological, emotional development. Most of the time we see that mother holds the breast in scissor grip. What is wrong in scissor grip? Because if the mother doesn't have very long fingers, these two fingers can't extend far, so that the part of the breast which is available for attachment becomes insufficient for the baby. While in C grip, more of the breast becomes available for the baby to take an deep attachment. Also, when the mother holds in the scissor grip, it can compress the milk ducts and it can obstruct the effective milk transfer. Hope you have liked this video and have helped you to solve your problems. But if you have any query that is unanswered, please feel free to connect me through comments and I will be very happy to help you. Follow me for useful information. See you in my next video where I am going to tell you about different positions other than sitting in which a mother can breastfeed her baby. Thank you.